Filipino food is the best. You cannot fight with it. You cannot argue. You cannot do anything.
I can.
No, you cannot.
Are you kidding?
Yes. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. You know what? I just came home from the other house. I'm here already. I dropped my mother-in-law. I'm just gonna go inside and where is the thing? It's still running? Oh my god. I tried to shut the music off. But anyway, so good morning. Let's go inside and yeah. And yeah, shucks. Okay. Oh, I have garbage. Oh no, I have my thing here. Hold on, guys. Yeah. So I'm here. And sana si Tami matana kasi. Hi. What is that all about? What's in your neck? Your mother. Late 8 o'clock something. Anyway, I'm gonna go pee. You took shower already? Oh, excuse me. Can I kiss your baby? No. I just started vlogging this morning. Here you go, sweetie.
Just started this morning?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you just started forever. You just started.
I love you.
There are no hardware stores open.
When was the last time I came here? Friday? It's 2:79, right? When I came up back to bring mom, 2:79. It's just what the heck? It just went up. This Texas thing is not from Texas. This gas is from Abu Dhabi. Whenever.
It doesn't matter. It's what they use as an excuse to raise prices.
It's like to bury more people.
That's what they do, hon. This is what this country's made of. You don't know. Back in the 70s, where you were born, way before you were born.
Anyway, guys, hi. Tommy is using the pillow neck and the back cushion, and also, yeah, he's using it.
A lot of people drive like this up on the wheel.
Yeah.
Really, it's bad for your back.
I don't drive like that.
Well,
anyway, we'll go.
That's very bad for your back.
We're going to Micro Center and to get some hard drive for something. I don't want to talk about it, but it's something for his job, guys. That's it. And you know, Micro Center, Tommy look every aisle, every 1 hour, every aisle, and I hate it.
Yeah.
And after this, hopefully we can go run quick to Asian store. I just need the vegetables that I wanted. I really miss the giant string beans, guys. I miss that. And
oh, good thing you remind me. I got a bag of string beans in the house. I need to take.
The small one, I want the big one.
Yeah, but I got a big bag. It needs to be cooked. I meant to tell you to take it Friday, and I forgot.
Yeah.
And apparently you didn't go in the drawer.
No.
I told you to take that bag of salad. You took the other bag.
I get the salad.
Yeah, but I told you to take the one that we bought up there, which is in the drawer. So if you went in the drawer, you would see the string beans. But you didn't. You see a lot of cops on the way home last night?
Last night? I don't know. There's no cops. Why?
Really? Because they got a big push on drunk driving for a holiday.
Oh, really?
Keeping checkpoints everywhere.
There's no cops in that upstate. Oh, there is construction here. Oh, you know why? Because this thing is collapsing.
Really?
Yeah, that part over there collapsed. Yeah.
Wow. Hopefully it hurt.
Yeah, I heard it in the news. They put it in the freaking news. It's not freaking strong enough.
And this is a new shopping center. This is not old. Like the cross county, this is new.
Yeah. Okay, we are here, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna try to make some eggplant parmesan later, hun, okay? Or tomorrow. It's nice, guys. This is where Tommy loved to be here. There's a lot of laptops over here. It's been a long time that I haven't been here. iPad stand, charger gap, I don't know. Why you're looking over here? You just got wired the last time you're here.
For some reason, I don't have them.
This is where you can get the hard drive, guys, if you are vlogging and you wanna keep all your videos.
External drive.
Yeah, external drive. $30 with this thing. Yeah. They have nice one. Hi guys, we came out without nothing. Thank you. Anyway, so we get out from the thing, from the place, and they don't have the one that Tom is looking for, so I guess it's going to Best Buy. And the good thing about going to Best Buy is I've never been in Best Buy for a freaking long time.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No, it's not it's me oohing because you might like, I like Best Buy. Best Buy have more like product that you interest to look, everything. They have new camera, they have cell phone case.
Uh-oh.
There's more over there. There's car backing up in back of you. Look at this, guys. How clear is that, guys? Look. So freaking clear. Can you imagine?
Yeah, I think we start moving here.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Let's see if they have a nice cell phone case here. It's right there, cell phone case. Oh, GoPro. I'm good, thank you.
I just want it.
Okay, it's right here. But they don't have much. Empty, oh, look at the thing. I think so.
No, maybe not.
40 bucks. It says bracelet.
Oh no, it's a
Bracelet.
for an Apple Watch.
Yeah.
If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you.
Oh, it's so dirty. So dirty, but whatever. Oh, look guys, tundan. Tundan. This, that. They have siopao. I don't trust the siopao. They have different kind of pansit. Budbud. Ano pa ba? Do they have pandesal here? They don't have balut anymore. Looking for this banana leaves. Oh, they have a really good banana leaves here, guys. How much is this? $7. Oh, this is not it. Oh, this is malunggay. Let me see. Malunggay product in the Philippines. Is this malunggay? They have it, guys. Horseradish leaves. I'm gonna get a few of this. Jackfruits. Where is the one that you're showing me? Okay, let me see. This is the Tommy one. Oh my goodness. So freaking big. You want it, hon? I'll get one of this. Oh, they have the saba, guys. Tundan, guys. Oh, meron silang tundan, guys. I'm gonna get one of this turon saba roll with jackfruits. I'll get this. From procured. What is this? Beef tocino. What is that?
Pineapple cut squid.
Huh? Pineapple?
Squid cut to look like pineapple.
Oh, gee. I need coconut. Coconut. For my nut. see any of that. I cannot find the Lego. The Lego sardines. Saba Lego. I'm looking for a small Lego.
What else frozen?
That's it. No.
I picked it up, the wind blew it down, so I put it back up. I guess it was the wind, maybe it was a person.
Yeah. You're such a good Samaritan. You know? Always. Why this one is not on? Air conditioning.
I don't leave the air conditioning on. I shut the cars. It's a drain on engine restart.
It's already 12 o'clock. I'm kind of hungry. So Tommy and I, we need to eat Spanish bread. This is a good bread.
Mommy don't need to eat Spanish bread.
Seriously, hon? You ate this before with me.
Come on now, go ahead. Eat bread as a rule.
You do, hon. Like you buy a lot of bread, you eat freaking sandwich. What do you need?
Sandwich, right? Because
that's a freaking bread.
Because when you're on the run, the sandwich is easier than eating with like a fork and knife.
The Spanish bread, it's always good. It's a lot of cheese inside. And you like cheese. That I done a lot.
Sure, no time right here.
No tomato.
Of course. They did that to me last night.
Last night?
And they try to sneak in, they whipped their tire on the car trying to get in. They didn't hit me, you know. They get people like that. But they see me turning, they figure they can get in there first.
And then
retarded.
You get first.
Yeah, of course.
They don't want to give away. I got so many things, guys. I don't expect to get a lot. But I was thinking, And I found malunggay. Oh my god, malunggay is the best. That's how we do it for everything over there. Like
everything you say is the best, hon. Everything.
Because Filipino food is the best. You cannot fight with it. You cannot argue. You cannot do anything.
I can.
No, you cannot.
Are you kidding?
Yes, Italian food plus Filipino food. Oh my god, Filipino food will win.
Let's evaluate the popularity of different foods.
Filipino.
Number one popularity food is probably Chinese. Number two is Italian.
Slow down.
I don't think Philippines even comes into the chart on that.
Whatever, you know what?
Pardon?
Whatever.
How many Philippine restaurants do you see everywhere?
Han, I'm Filipino. You cannot argue
Everywhere
with me.
except the Philippines. How many do you see?
You cannot argue with me because I'm Filipino.
Obviously.
And we love our food.
Really? Doesn't make it the best.
We love our food, and everybody go to our country, they love our food.
Huh?
I just get back, guys, from picking my mother-in-law. And Tommy is busy watching his friends.
Go Supernatural on.
Is that why?
Yeah.
It's Monday, and supposedly there is
Holiday.
Supernatural. Is that there is a holiday show too?
Apparently they put on something else. They put on movies.
What's up? What's up?
Curtains for my rooms up there.
Okay, the kid is here. Oh, it's Loba Thomas. I'm done. Hi guys, I got here. I'm having my Spanish bread. They have different kind of one. They have the Spanish bread. They have this ube inside. They have makapuno inside. But I got the original one. So my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law, you know, her husband is going here today. They're gonna have dinner here. Time check, it's 5 o'clock already. Holy cow. Tommy stopped to Stop and Shop. No, Stop and Shop, ShopRite. To pick up some Diet Coke. You know, Diet Soda, because my brother-in-law only drink Diet. And how many steak we have left over here? Dada will be here very soon. Yes, oh my god. Dada will be here very soon. She doesn't like that.
Huh?
Dada will be here very soon. I know, don't be mad. I'm not teasing. Dadas will be here very soon. Do you want to go get him? Yeah. Oh, Dada's here. Go get Dada.
Go right past me. Go right past me to Grandma. That's fine.
Looky. Hi guys, everybody's here. My sister-in-law's here, my brother-in-law's here. Tommy is making this mashed potato and there's salad over there. Hey, look at this, guys. Hey, go away, bug. Go away, little man. I know, little man. Anyway, so my sister-in-law have coleslaw, salad, potato, steak, Anyway, guys, they're outside and
really sucks.
oh, look at this.
But then again, he really hasn't do nothing because he's been living
I
off
deleted
what
it.
Bloomberg.
I deleted it, so whatever.
Yeah, but the stuff that the buildings and stuff that are going on.
What is wrong, baby?
With the cops in the community.
All the
He's a
liberals.
fucking moron.
All the liberals incite racial tension. Come on, that's what they do for a living.
But Angelo drank the Kool-Aid. The other two didn't.
Oh, I need to get chair for the dog.
Chair for the
Oh no, for I'm sorry, and it's for Andy.
Wow, that is
You
hard.
got a dish for the dog?
Is that good?
Why, if he said no, did you have another solution?
We have a construction light.
Oh.
Yeah, you do. You gotta hunt down all these little bugs and get rid of them.
No, Dimples think that you're gonna give something now.
She went running to the little door.
I forgot that I need to get my charger in the car. Oh, I'm not gonna charge my phone. Let me see. I'm gonna just use Tommy 50%. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Shut up. I know. So, she just keep repeating herself.